gbogbo wa ti gbọ́ àbí láti lè sọ ìyẹn ni pé bó bá ti ṣe ohun Ọlọ́run òun ló ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan níjọ́ tí Ọlọ́run dá ìka wa ìyá wa àti bàbá wa ọjọ́ kan ṣo náà ni wọ́n bí àwa tá a dúró yìí ìjọ́ tí orí dé ìjọ́ náà lójú dé ìjọ́ náà nímú dé ìjọ́ náà lẹ́sẹ̀ dé ìjọ́ náà lápá dé ìjọ́ náà nìka dé àmọ́ síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ nínú àwọn ọ̀ka wa yìí ẹ wà á rí pé ìkan wa yọjú ìkan lọ ìjọ́ kan náà nọ́dẹ̀jọ́ bí wọn la ilaha so báàdùkún fọ́kábàdì daraja bí a bá ti ṣe pọ̀ tó yìí ẹnìkan ó gbọ́dọ̀ ju ẹnìkan lọ yutil ikma ma yasha ẹni Ọlọ́run bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ní máa gbé ọlá fún wallahu sul fadlil azim àdúrà tá à ń ṣe tá a fi ń di wòlíì Ọlọ́run bọ́lọ́run ò bá kọ́ pé kéèyàn jẹ́ wòlíì Ọlọ́run bó bá ń ṣàdúrà yẹn lọ́wọ́ ó lè ya wèrè àdúrà míì wà tó jẹ́ pé tí wọ́n bá ṣe tọ́lọ́run ò bá kọ́ kó di wàlíyì ó lè kú sínú ilé tó ń ṣe halwa sọyìn yìí sìn àdúrà míì sì wà tó jẹ́ pé tí Ọlọ́run ò bá kọ́ láti jẹ́ wòlíì Ọlọ́run tó bá ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ kò ní bọ́nú wàhálà tó máa rí òun yóò máa rí nǹkan gàgá yóò máa ṣí fún un yóò máa rí yóò máa gbọ́ yóò máa sọ àmọ́ ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ti súnmọ́ àmọ̀ pé nǹkan ti bá torí ẹni tó ń dé jẹjọ nǹkan tó ń lùlù fún òun rí ẹ̀yin tí Allahu Akbar nǹkan tó ń lùlù fẹ́ni tó ń jó òun rí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń wo ẹni tó ń jó ẹ̀ rí nǹkan tí ó ń lùlù fẹ́ni tó ń jó gẹ́gẹ́ bí òwe ní àpẹẹrẹ èyí tó ń rẹ́rìn nǹkan tó ń palẹ́rìn ó kúkú rí fún rẹ̀ èyí tó kéré mọ́lẹ̀ tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í sáré lọ nǹkan tó yẹ gbalẹ̀ ó rí so ẹnikẹ́ni tí a bá pè ní wàlíyé Ọlọ́run yóò máa rí yóò máa gbọ́ yóò máa mọ̀ Ọlọ́run ọba fúnra rẹ̀ náà nídẹ̀ fi ènìyàn ṣe bàbá ní kì í ṣe òun lòun fúnra òun ṣe ohun Ọlọ́run ló ṣe gbọ̀yàn òun síbẹ̀. takbira ẹ tún gbọ́dọ̀ tóbi.
The last question from him, and would you like to say a few words? Oh no, sorry. The lady, okay. One question from there, and the last from the lady. That will be all for tonight. Is that right?
Yes. I just had it.
Assalamu alaikum. Well, the question I got to ask is, I know I believe in God actually, but I know I believe in God, but I just don't know why I believe in God because my dad asked me that, yeah, this is the right thing you got to do, and I've been doing it, but I don't actually know why I'm doing it, and I believe in God, but I just don't know why I believe in God.
Good of you. Ọlọ́run gbogbo agbá wọn wí.
Wait a
No.
Sorry, what does he say?
He said he believes in God, but he doesn't know why he should believe that.
Explain why.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
You see, the Holy Quran tells us that to believe in God is not the child of wisdom.
Allahu Akbar.
It is the child of deep nature in you.
Oh, they created.
The Holy Quran tells us that before anything was created, God created the nature of man, the spirit of man,
La ilaha illallah.
and inquired from him, Alastu bi rabbikum? Qalu bala. He inquired from them, am I not your Lord? And they all said, yes, you are. So this means this belief in God is deeply imprinted in nature. It is not the child of wisdom and thinking. It is something with which we are born. That is why the belief in God is universal, is everywhere.
So which means it can be explained or expressed.
You may not be able to explain, but the Holy Quran has already explained for you. It said because God made this imprinted in your cells, computerized in your DNA and RNA, the things you are made of.
Allahu Akbar.
Yes, please.
Tó nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé káwa náà wòye fàdíyẹ́nsúrù ìnzánà mímà úlìkà alákàlẹ̀ ìnzánà min alaki Ọlọ́run ọba dá wa àwa tá a pa ń jẹ́ ènìyàn yìí olòmíì wọ́n ti fi wa mọ́tò títí ó wà lábẹ́ bàdí bàbá ẹ̀ olòmíì òòrùn ti pa títí lábẹ́ ẹ̀yìn bàbá ẹ̀ ńgbà tó yá bàbá ẹ̀ pọ̀ sára àyà ẹ̀ látara bẹ̀ oyún dé látara oyún náà ń gbèrú, látara gbígbèrú ó tún wá dáyé tán, ó dá ojú fún wa, ó détí fún wa, ó dẹnu fún wa, alọ́wọ́ a lè fi mú, alétí a lè fi gbọ́, alójú a lè fi rí, alẹ́nu a lè fi sọ. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí wá dé, àwa tún sọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ dé fúnra ẹ̀, ojú rí, àmọ̀ yà á pè, àmọ̀ bàbá á pè, àwa dẹni tó ń dàgbà. Ọlọ́run yẹn ló wá yẹ káyìn pé ó ṣe náà àbóhùn kọ́, láti lè wí pé Ọlọ́run ṣe, òun náà ni pé ká gba Ọlọ́run gbọ́. Ẹni bá ti ń pé Ọlọ́run ṣe, òun náà ló gbọ́ Ọlọ́run gbọ́. So yóò bá mi yẹ yín sìn, láti lè gbà pé Ọlọ́run ṣe, òun náà ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ti gbà yín pé Ọlọ́run ṣeun, òun náà ẹni tó gba Ọlọ́run gbọ́. Ẹni tí ó fi Ọlọ́run sílẹ̀ láti sìn, láti gbé tóbi pé Allahu Akbar, ó ti yé yín, kó dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ẹni tó dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run, òun lẹni tó gba Ọlọ́run gbọ́, torí òun ló dá ẹ, ó fún ẹ lójú òfin ríran, tó lomi ó fọ̀ kalẹ̀ kò lè rí nǹkankan, ó fún ẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ òfin rìn, tó lomi kò lè rìn. Àwọn títí wọ́n dẹ̀ dàrú yẹn, ó lè ṣeéṣe kí ìṣe pé wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan fọ́lọ́run, Ọlọ́run bà tẹnìkan jẹ́ kí tẹni tó dáa bá lè ṣọpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ẹni títí ẹ bàjẹ́. Ọlọ́run má bà tẹnìkan kan wá jẹ́.
Last from ladies, please.
Anyone?
Yes. Walsam, you come forward. Wait for this. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters in Islam. I am a real Muslim, and I was born in a Muslim house.
Right.
But what I want to say is, I went to Hajj in 1936. But when I went to Mecca, at Mecca Road, there is no single lady. Whenever we're going to the mosque, I mean, from the people of Mecca, you will never see single of them to go to the mosque. Then I called one man where we're living. The man asked a shop downstairs of our house. I told him, why I didn't see any ladies of your country go to the mosque. The man told me that it's not necessary for the Muslim lady to go to the mosque. All right. But we in Nigeria, some of the people, we believe that there is only one God, and Prophet Muhammad is the only prophet for God. But without ladies to be giving someone lecture, to be telling someone lecture that this is the God, this is the way to pray, this is how to do, this is the way to go, I don't think they will really believe in God. Because most of the ladies, Muslim ladies born in Muslim house, they are joining Cherubim and Seraph, they are joining Celestial Church, they are joining all parts of Christian, which is not the right way. But whenever you see them and call them that, why do you go to the Christianity? They will tell you that, well, it's because I don't know what the Muslims are saying. The Holy Quran was written in Arabic and I don't know the meaning. But now, what most of the leaders of religion in Islam are doing in Nigeria is they are allowing ladies to be preaching in the telly, to be saying something in the radio, so that they will change the mind of those who are wrong, go to the wrong way. They will convert them back to the religion of Islam. Okay. Now, the religion of Islam, I know, is peace. But without this, without ladies to be singing or to be reading the Quran or to be saying something, most of the ladies did not join the Islam. They are running to the Christianity. Why is we Muslims in Nigeria are doing this? We're singing, we're reading the Quran. Why those people from Saudi Arabia are not singing? Because I never see a lady from Saudi Arabia singing since I was born in my life. I never see a lady reading the Holy Quran unless men. So I want to know the reason why. Because we in
yes,
our As-Salatu Fa'o, we're doing all this so that all those who are gone to Christianity will go back to their former religion. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. First of all, let me remind you